Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, we will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will reveal a bunch of toggles. Disregard this automatic page switch. And on one of the pages, you'll find battery saver. For me, it is right here in the corner. Once you see yours, you can just simply tap on it and it turns it on. You can also see we have a notification right here telling us that it will turn off when device is 50% or above charged. Now, it's 97, but this will apply if it drops, for instance, below 50 later on and then gets charged above 50, it will automatically turn itself off. So that's one thing. Now we can also hold this toggle and it will take us to the settings, so it will give us a couple options. So we have turn off when charged 50%, so you can turn that off if you don't want to. Don't wait screen for notifications, which is enabled by default when this mode is running. And schedule time to switch between modes, meaning you can actually select start and end time. Now this could actually be a very useful feature to set up during the night time. So when you go to sleep, your device doesn't really need to be running normally. It can go into power saving mode to preserve battery life. Now, the reason I'm pointing that out is because typically battery saver mode tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So when you put it to sleep, like this, after a specific amount of time, it will disconnect from them. Now, there's two options, which I don't know which one is applied here. It's something that only time can tell by just using the device. So there are two options for it. One was that the device just simply disconnects and won't reconnect to it as long as you're not using it. Second one is that the device will reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile data every so often to check if it's missing something. So the general gist of it is, if you're receiving notifications but in bulk every so often when you're not using the device, that means that it's the second option. If you're not receiving any kind of notifications as long as you're not really using the device and then getting spammed with them when you pick it up and it reconnects, that would mean it's obviously the first option. So that's why this is a great option to select during the night time when notifications aren't as important. But it's also something to keep in mind when you might be relying on notifications being delivered to you on time. These modes usually change that up a little bit. Now, anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again, and when it's on, you can just tap on it once again to disable it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.